In this video, I will show you how to create your own filters for Snapchat. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, and before we continue, I just want to make a note that this is not currently available in every country, and to use this service, it is a paid service. So to go ahead and do this, what you're going to want to do is open up a mobile browser, so whether that's Google Chrome if you're on Android, or Safari if you're using an iPhone. Now what you're going to want to do is come across to snapchat.com/create, and basically once you come across to here, you're going to be able to go ahead and create and purchase your own filter to frame birthdays, weddings and any other event. So for myself in my country, it's not currently available. When I click onto the link, it's taking me basically to the camera, but there's no option to actually create or purchase my own filters. But that is the website you want to come across to, and what you can do from that website is go ahead and actually create and purchase your own filters, as mentioned here, to frame birthdays, weddings and any other event. So that's how to go ahead and create your own custom filters for Snapchat. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.